For my 8th model of the month, I focused on painting a striped jersey. I didn't bother painting stripes separately, but instead painted the entire shirt a single color. Then I painted stripes over that in the second color. What I'm working on is selling the idea of cloth by making sure that the shading and highlights of the cloth are consistent across the stripes. This means that I have to highlight the two colors similarly. So once I painted the stripes and was happy with their spacing, trying to make them even by going back and forth from one color to the other and cleaning up the margins, making sure there were no places where the folds in the miniature, the bulges that protruded out of the miniature, caused a V shape or a point that stuck out of the stripe, and so the stripe looked straight. My next goal was to give each stripe a treatment where when it crossed a fold, it was lighter in color and the same amount lighter for the green and the turquoise. I think having the two colors shaded in the same way really sells the idea that this is not separate strips of cloth put together that are acting independently, but a single piece of cloth that has two tones and ties together. When I just paint the stripes in, the cloth of course looks flat, but when I get the folds highlighted, it really looks like a dynamic jersey as the sculptor intended, and I enjoy the miniature. One of the difficulties of painting these highlights is that my brush stroke tends to get thinner as I reach the end, and so the highlight tends to have these sort of lumps, and it's very important to try to get a very square edge, so when the turquoise transitions to the green, the highlight goes right up to the green, and I start the green highlight with an even edge, so the thickness of the highlight is consistent all the way across the turquoise, then all the way across the green, then all the way across the turquoise, giving a consistent visual effect. I would have liked to spend a little bit more time on blending, especially with these folds in the jersey, but trying to get all of these miniatures done in February is proving a difficult task, and so I simply have to move on with what I have. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valor.